Welcome back. In this session, let's study how machines learn. From the previous section, we understand that humans develop intelligence by constantly learning over a period of time. In a very similar fashion, machines also learn and develop intelligence. Basically, there are three ways by which we can make machines learn. One is supervised learning, second, unsupervised learning, and third is called reinforcement learning. So first, let's try to understand what is supervised learning. Here is Mimi, a 2-year-old kid, and suddenly on day one, she is asked, "What is this?" To which she doesn't have a proper reply. Over a period of 2 to 3 days, Mimi is shown hundreds of apples and 100 types of apples, right? And told by the teacher that these are called apples. On day 5, Mimi is again asked, "What is this?" There is a high probability that Mimi would say that this is an apple because she has been shown 100 types of these apples, to which she has developed an intelligence where she can understand what is an apple and what is not an apple. Now, coming to a real life scenario of an agri-tech company who has to develop an app to identify different types of tomatoes in a farmland. So now in this case, we need to develop a model by which the machine is able to predict the right type of a tomato. What I would have done, I would have trained my machine by feeding it with thousands of images of each type of tomatoes, so that next time when my machine sees a new tomato, it is able to identify the right type with maximum precision. Now, with the above example, I hope you have understood the concept of supervised learning. It is very important to understand that through supervised learning, machine learns by examples of output for a given set of inputs. Let's look at another example of supervised learning. To develop a real estate pricing model where we need to predict the pricing of the house given the size of the house, the number of bedrooms, the number of bathrooms, and the age of house, I would have trained my machine with the following set of examples where we have these set of inputs: size of the house, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, and age of the home, and the associated output, that is price in $1,000. Eventually, when I would have trained my system, it would have given me a model or an equation which helps me predict the price of the house. Now, if I could train my machines with images of all the criminals in my database, I can deploy this machine at public places to alarm the police whenever a criminal is detected. Great. I hope now you are clear with what exactly is supervised learning and how machines learn from it.